One of the things I wanted to talk about with this group today was the importance of being intentional. This is it's a stupid analogy, but I have a habit of when I'm walking down the hall or walking into a room, I'll reach for the light switch, but I'll reach for where I think it is and I'll flip at it. And sometimes I hit it and a lot of times I don't. So I have to do 2 or 3 attempts. It's kind of fumbly and I finally get the light switch on. So I told myself at the beginning of the year that going forward, in order to make sure I get that light switch and don't have that fumble and don't have the walk past and turn around and go back and all that, I'm going to look straight at the light switch to make sure that my finger hits the right spot and I'm going to turn it on. Now it sounds dumb, but the analogy is this. We have to be intentional about the things that we're doing in our LinkedIn marketing, in our campaigns, in our messaging, in our profile. In every single one of those things, we have to be very intentional about it. We've got to focus on it. We've got to look at it and give it the right amount of attention in order for us to achieve what we want. We can't do this offhanded. We can't do it without looking, without thinking about it. Marketing and messaging is far, far too important for us to just simply throw up a little effort and hope it works. Now, we've talked about a lot of things on this class. We've talked about banners and USPs. We've talked about messages. We just talked about message timing and how important that is. We've talked about message length. We've talked about lighting and sound. All of those things, all of them we have to be intentional about and go through the process to make sure that we are getting those things done in a way that really achieves the goal we're trying to achieve. We can't just do it offhand. I used to say that nothing is off the cuff except for lint. You've heard people who are really, really good at what they do and what they say. And you say, wow, they sound so natural. Well, the honest truth is they sound natural because they've practiced it and they've been very, very intentional about it. This is not an accidental process. Yes, happy accidents happen, right? The old definition of luck is when preparation meets opportunity. Great, those things are going to happen. But in order to do that, we've got to be prepared and we've got to be intentional about that preparation. So just want to encourage you guys, no matter what part of your campaign or your marketing or your LinkedIn presence that you're working on, be very intentional about it, be very focused about it, and it will produce a better result for you. So anyway, I just want to share that.